Hi Dad, happy birthday. I wish you the most blessed and happy day of your life. I just want to take this moment to thank you for everything you've done for me in my life. And all the special moments you've helped create with me and all the special memories you've created with me. Even small things like going out to Clarence Park to play cricket has built me up as a person, and those moments weren't possible without you. So I'd like to take this moment to just thank you for everything you've done for me, because I would not be the same person here if it wasn't for you. And I'm very, very grateful for everything that you've done for me in my life. I'm also very fortunate to have such reliable and a person full of knowledge in my life, and is always there for me. So happy birthday and thank you very much.
We all sung and heard happy birthday song in English. But what about if we listen and sing this song in a different language? I think Sanskrit is a better option, because Sanskrit language is the mother of all the languages. And this tune is composed really good. This tune is so beautiful, and the meaning, it has a great meaning as well. So this special song just for your special day. That's your birthday. So let's get started. Thank you.
राजेश कंवर साहब, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. भगवान आपको अच्छा हेल्दी वेल्दी रखे, ये हम भगवान के पास प्रार्थना करते. Again, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you.
It is pleasure to wish you a happy birthday. This year will be prosperous year. This year will be more wealthy, healthy year. I wish you will be more healthy, more wealthy. Thank you.
आशाओं के गीत चले, आशीर्वाद उपहार मिले,
वर्षगांठ है तुम्हारी, शुभकामनाओं से प्यार मिले.
जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Raju Chacha.
लवली लवली चाचा है, प्यारे प्यारे चाचा है. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू राजू चाचा. हैप्पी बर्थडे राजू चाचा.
Happy birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Rajesh Jia ji, wishing you a very very happy birthday. You're the most amazing person of our family, and we are so glad that you're a part of our family. I really enjoy your sense of humor. It's a little different, but you know, you don't have to take it seriously. And thank you so much for always for the study. I didn't know you were such a great teacher, and I really like your passion that you have towards work. And it's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, and wishing you loads and loads and loads of happiness and lots of success. And I really wish that I can have that kind of dedication that you put towards your work. So here's again wishing you a very very happy birthday.
अब मैं बोलता हूँ जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आपका दिन बहुत ही शुभ हो, आपका साल बहुत ही मंगलमय हो और आपको भारी बढ़ोतरी मिले जीवन में, और बहुत हर्षोल्लास के साथ आपका जो जन्म महोत्सव मनाया जाए, और आप इससे सबसे बहुत खुश होकर हम सबको इसके लिए शाबाशी भी दें. और बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा कि आप को ये बहुत 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 मुबारक हो आपका जन्मदिन. अपना ख्याल रखें.
And hope you become a Bollywood consultant very soon. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Chichaji. Enjoy your day. You're a great company, always laughing and always making others laugh. Always keep this attitude in your life and always keep this smile on your face, no matter what the situation. God bless you and give you all the love and blessings for this year. Enjoy.
Birthday, Rajesh Jia ji. Have a great year.
तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Raju Chacha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Dear Raju Dada.
हैप्पी बर्थडे डॉक्टर साहब, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई.
राजू जी, जन्मदिन की आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई.
लंदन के सुपरस्टार राजू बाबू जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो.
हैप्पी बर्थडे राजू लंदन वाला. स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, इंडिया रहो चाहे लंदन रहो.
Hello Rajesh ji.
आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो.
You and Vinita are very special to us.
राजेश जी, यू आर द एक्स फैक्टर ऑफ आवर फैमिली गैदरिंग्स.
और आपके फनी जोक्स.
और साथ में जब गैदरिंग्स में आपका स्लीप एपनिया की टॉक पर तड़का लगता है तो मजे आ जाते हैं.
Jokes apart.
आप दोनों ऐसे ही हंसते मुस्कुराते रहो.
And keep listening to Vinita.
हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस
Happy birthday once
अगेन.
again.
हैव फन.
Have fun.
Hello Dr. Rajesh, wish you a very very happy birthday from Akanksha, Kavya and myself. Hope you have a great day and year ahead. Hope you have lots of celebration and we look forward for a lovely party. Thank you. Bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे राजेश जी. हम आपको बहुत दिनों से जानते हैं. आप बहुत कॉमेडी हो. आपके बिना गेट टुगेदर में मज़ा नहीं आता. आप दिमाग घुमाने में बहुत अच्छे हो, इंक्लूडिंग मी. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन। आपकी लाइफ, हम भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करते हैं आपकी लाइफ हेल्दी वेल्दी रहे।
Hey Rajesh ji, wish you a happy quarantine, safe and healthy birthday. Thank you so much for being a friend, philosopher and guide. I think about you, if I have to say something, you are a big encouragement to me always. Whatever my small or big achievement in life, you are always the first person to encourage me. So thank you for always being there and have a bright year ahead. And thank you Vinita ji for such a cute gesture you are doing for Rajesh ji. You guys have a great time ahead. Bye bye.
This video is for Rajesh Jain. Wish you a very happy birthday. You are a very divine soul and you are like this glowing sunset with nice radiant colors who lit us up, and I'm sure you're a good father, a good husband. You have helped more than 500 doctors in the UK and hundreds of thousands of patients. Have a good day, have a blessed happy birthday, enjoy the sweets and थोड़ा बचा होगा तो हमारे पास भी भेज दे यार। ठीक है, चलो भैया, मस्ती हो गया, अब काम पे लग जाइयो।
Happy birthday Rajesh ji, and wish you many more returns of the day. On this occasion, I would just like to say that we are really blessed, truly blessed to have you in our lives. You are the only one person whom we come to no matter what our problems are, knowing that you will either help find a solution or at least help us ventilate. You are extremely passionate about your work. You are a very intelligent person. There is no denying of it. And we can see that passion, dedication and devotion for your work a lot. You also have a great sense of humor. You just manage to liven everyone's mood around you. And that's a great thing about you. We wish you a very happy, healthy, prosperous life ahead. And we are looking forward for a big party soon. You're not getting away from it. And until then, please spend some time for your health and for yourself as well. Have a good day until then, and God bless. See you soon. Bye.
Hello Rajesh ji, wish you a very happy birthday. On this occasion, I wish you a lot of smile, laughter and happiness in years to come. I'm remembering our first meeting, and while recording this video, I can remember a lot of occasions when we had a lot of ups time, low time, and at the end we want to sit with you, we talk for hours and we try to spend time together. That is the outcome, and I'm really proud of this. Definitely, as you know, we always wish you a very healthy life for you, and that's why sometimes I'm too pushy for you to do something for your health. And I hope on this occasion you will start some activity that helps in your health. You are very active professionally in your WhatsApp psychiatrist group, but I want to emphasize you were very immensely helpful in a lot of other activities in our Jain society here, and a lot of people are really proud of your support and help, and we are really proud for that. Definitely recently you had a lot of good news, and we are still waiting for big parties, and on this occasion I hope you plan something big. No doubt, because of Corona we cannot have party right now, but hopefully we'll have a big party very soon. Looking forward for that. Wish you again a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for your friendship and for all the support and guidance that you've been offering to us. Have a wonderful last 40s. We look forward to the big celebration next year together. Have a fantastic day. Thank you.
Namaste Rajesh ji, wishing you a very happy birthday. It's been probably more than 10 years we know each other now. It has been a very amazing journey. You have always been very helpful beyond any expectations with your deep knowledge, and you have been always approachable, which is something which I always admire. I wish you a very long, healthy and prosperous new year ahead. Thank you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे. एक साल रह गया, अब फिर मेरी एज के हो जाओगे, फिर आपको पता चलेगा. ओके, एनीवे हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Dr. Rajesh. This is Jeet from the ride in Hatfield, Chotas Gamse. Hope you're having a good day. I hope your day is full of surprises. God bless you and wish you all the best in whatever you do. Thank you for the opportunity.
Hello, boss. This is actually a happy birthday video, but being a very socially retarded person, I don't know what to say and how to say it. So let me tell you how and where you came in my life and what's your impact in my life. I don't know whether it is a good birthday video or not, but this is what I can do from the bottom of my heart. Actually, I am very socially withdrawn. I don't understand much social things. When I joined Indian psychiatry national level at mainstream, I was just trying to make psychiatry a better place, but I didn't know how to do it. I tried posting questions, I tried posting answers. I wanted to give people answers about their queries. I wanted to give people ideas about how to treat their cases creatively and things like that. But that was it. I never knew that how to go about it. And at this juncture, Ashwin Bhai actually introduced me to global psychiatry, and I saw that how you are going in the same direction but with a plan and with an idea, and you actually taught me many things about how to go about reforming psychiatry. Then again you became a sort of big brother to me, just like a few big brothers I got from psychiatry. You are one of them, and you are one of the closest one. You are, I haven't seen you here yet, but you are there in my life in every day. We talk in various WhatsApp groups and we interact, and I know that if I need some help from someone, I can approach you. I don't really trust people because being an introvert and being a socially deficient person, I don't know how to approach with. But in your case, I know I can approach you. Probably that is important, but I don't know. If it was psychiatry or medicine, I would have been more confident. But social message and social interaction, these are things I don't really know. But you know that these are my shortcomings. I don't understand social things. I would be very glad if you have a good place in your life and if you live long and enjoy a fruitful life. Because through Global Psychiatrist, you have given many people like me a platform to speak, a platform to talk, where we talk and share ideas. From Global Psychiatrist, I have found a few good friends. And again, the credit goes to you. Then I don't know whether this VRS initiative would be fruitful or not. But if it is fruitful and if it is working properly, then this would be your credit too, because you brought all of us together. So with this thing, I wish you a very happy birthday, a very prosperous year ahead, and along with that, I wish you a good and happy life. A life where you find your place and you keep on doing what you love. Stay well, stay safe. Happy birthday.
Very happy birthday. Very, very happy birthday to the very, very happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, brother, and have a great rocking year ahead. Love you.
You're the most handsome man I've ever seen in my life. So, inta andagaadni nenu intavaraku chudaledu.
A very, very happy birthday.
Very happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day from me and my family. I hope all your dreams come true in life.
Happy birthday. And a very, very happy birthday. I've done.
Very, very happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, hi, Rajesh. Just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. I think I only got to know you about probably over a year ago, and I think in that short span of time, you've proven yourself to be quite the academic with a very good understanding of both the sciences and also the arts, which in psychiatry obviously is psychotherapy, which in many ways is a fusion of art, philosophy, and the ability to use inherent strengths in individuals through psychotherapeutic means to enhance their functioning, coping, and overall sense of well-being. And I think it's a very nice mixture to have as a clinician, but I think also your dedication to wanting to promote learning across many different aspects of our functioning as a clinician, and to bring people together in a very unique fashion, I think has been quite a pleasant surprise to me, as we often see in this day and age where there's not much in terms of people wanting to work with one another, but you've clearly been someone who has been doing exactly that. And I really see this partnership in developing global psychiatrists as being a really incredibly unique academic exercise, which would not have been possible, I think, if it wasn't to some extent for COVID, but also technology. So I'm hoping and wishing you that in the coming years you experience a lot of happiness and success. And I wish you a very happy birthday. It's been very nice getting to know you. Take care.